Welcome to qnawire.
For this problem, we are given a set of data regarding the number of soft drinks drank over a 2-week period, and are tasked with determining if the number of soft drinks consumed decreased. So, start with our hypotheses. We have our null hypothesis, which is that the difference is equal to 0, and our alternative hypothesis, that the difference is not equal to 0. This is our claim. In this case, it would be the difference is greater than 0, since we are looking for a decrease. For part B, we will find our critical values. So we do this by first taking our alpha value equal to 0.10 and n equal to 10, and using table J, which gives us a critical value of z equal to 2. Part C, we find our test statistic. So if we analyze our data and count the number of positive and negative changes from before to after, we have plus signs, count of 7, and our minus sign count of 3. So our test statistic x is going to be equal to 3. So for part D, we compare x to z sub c. Since x is greater than z sub c, we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. So there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the amount of soft drinks consumed has decreased.